Okay guys, final week here. The total reveal of our master bedroom. And I'm so excited, mainly to be done with this thing. It's been brutal. And a lot more work than I expected. But it looks amazing. And it looks way better than what we had before, because if you've seen before, we were on the floor. This is with the One Room Challenge. Thank you so much for putting this on. It's been amazing and really inspired me to get after it and get done with this room. And thank you to my mom for coming down and helping me out with the last little finishings. And absolutely a big thank you to my husband, who really helped and pulled through on the weekends helping me, even though he's been working the whole time. And he's the cameraman right now. Oh gosh, but yeah, no, honestly, he really helped big time and really encouraged me to finish this up. Without further ado, here we go. Let's just go around the room real quick and I'll kind of show you what I added to the space. First off, this bed. This bed is from Overstock and it was only $450. Compared to the $2,000 Restoration Hardware bed, I could not be happier with this bed. It fits perfectly in this space, especially right in front of our sliding glass doors, which gives us the perfect view of all of San Diego. Second, the chandelier. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love the whole detailing and all of the lighting that it brings to the space. And the glamour, let's be honest, the glamour. Michael approved it. It's not too girly, I swear. It's on the edge. It's on the edge, but he approved it, so it's staying. And then we also have our 2 nightstands that I got from Jerome's Furniture, total steal. Go over to my blog, check out all the details on everything that we got. I had to keep a lot of these things within budget, and these 2 were killer deal. So yeah, I got these and they had silver hardware to begin with, and then I ended up buying these antique brass knobs, and I think in total all 18 were about $43. It was insane. It was like awesome find. Then we have the amazing wall sconces, which I am thrilled about. They actually are hardwired in. Michael did his magic with all of the technology, and we got Alexa, that girl, to control everything. Alexa, turn the master bedroom blue. And Alexa, turn off Chloe's light. Alexa, turn the master ceiling to reading. So, there we have it. But it's really exciting and just very enjoyable, especially when one of us wants to stay up late and read a book or do something like that. The other can turn off and control everything on their side as well. So, we have this going on, and then I decided I wanted to add in, since we're going with our wedding theme with Italy, I wanted to definitely bring in some photos from our wedding. So we have a photo over here in front of Borgo Petrognano, and just got like fun little things. So these plants on both of the nightstands are actually from our backyard. They're called a lemonade berry bush, and it's a native plant to San Diego, and so we have a bunch of it, and it looks really great when you do quick clippings and just put them in some water. They last for like a month in the house, so it's great compared to like flowers or things like that. Oh, and the candlestick holder, which is a chamber stick holder, that is actually from Etsy, and it's an antique that I found. We got the laundry basket from Studio McGee, and then we have pampas grass over in the corner. Ideally, I was gonna have a larger vase that I was gonna put them in. The vase arrived broken. And since we've been on a time crunch, this is all I had to make do with because I've actually had this for quite some time. But anyways, the pampas grass, I just, again, got just right out my door in San Diego. This grows wild here, and it's actually an invasive plant, but it blooms every August, September, October timeframe. So I just went and cut a few of the clippings and hung them for a few weeks to dry, and voila. And then we'll go to the floor. I love this rug. It has such pretty blue and like rust tones to it. It's very warming, especially with all the neutrals that I put into this space. So I really, really am enjoying this rug. Another great find I discovered on OfferUp is our new wall mirror. So this mirror was $50. And it was so perfect because I really wanted like this brass kind of French antique vibe to the mirror. And everywhere I looked and searched, high and low, everything was like $1,000. It was just impossible to find a mirror in my budget. And this one just came across on OfferUp, and it was $50. And so I ran over there as fast as I could. I was thrilled when I found this mirror. Now, onto the curtains and over to the desk. The curtains, like I said, I got these on Amazon, and I did floor to ceiling. So I know you're supposed to do the kiss to the floor, but since we're going with a little French theme, I mean, we'll call this maybe a French kiss of the floor. Onto the desk that I found in LA. This desk is perfect, and I'm so thrilled with it. Now, restoring this has been a major pain. But beyond that, I could not be happier. It just is, it's gonna work out perfectly with everything. I'm able to fit everything in there that used to be in the bathroom, and I'll be able to get ready here in front of the window when it's light out. But yeah, it's perfect. Onto the chair and our cute little olive tree. So, keeping with the Tuscan theme, we had to have an olive tree. Another find on OfferUp, $35. Not including the pot, it was in just a regular planter pot. But I got the pot on Wayfair for maybe $70. Not too bad, especially again because all of the antique looking terracotta and cement pots and everything like that were well over $100 every time I was trying to find something of this size. So I'm super excited I found that. And then this chair, I ended up finding this just a few days ago at World Market. Was able to go pick it up, bring it back home. I may have had to tie shut the trunk, but it wasn't that far away. It worked out. No one was harmed. But yeah, this chair is amazing. I'm super excited with it. It swivels, and we'll really be able to enjoy like mornings or evenings and stuff relaxing in this chair, away from upstairs or whatever we want to do. So thrilled with that. And finally, over to my nightstand. Pretty much the same or very similar to Michael's side. I do have my bouquet from our wedding there, which I don't know, I kind of like it. Wake up every day to flowers. Yeah, just like a little antique tray for jewelry and things like that. Again, same hardware as his side, and candle. And then the bedding itself, like I'd stated before in the previous videos, Pottery Barn linen duvet with a bunch of, toss throw pillows. I've actually had this one and that one for a while now, both from West Elm, and then this little guy is from Amazon, and then same with these guys, and yeah, purple mattress. The most important but most excruciatingly painful part of this whole thing are these walls. These walls, you guys. They are as smooth as a baby's bottom. And if they aren't that smooth, they're as smooth as they're gonna get, because this was brutal. This was so brutal, but they're amazing. Both the ceiling and the walls are just gorgeous, and I love this color. This is Atrium White from Benjamin Moore. Works out perfectly in this space, especially because we're north facing, and so this really brings in a lot of warmth in this tone of the white that they have versus Chantilly lace and those other types of whites like simple white and things like that. This one has a little bit of a yellow warm tone to it, which is perfect. And then I ordered these as well, and they are custom made, which is perfect because before we had these awful metal grates, but these came unpainted. I had to sit, me, myself, and my lovely mother, and hand paint them inch by inch in every little detail with a tiny paintbrush to get the perfect look to those. So that's the master bedroom, and I really hope you enjoyed this journey with me. And so yeah, leave a comment below if you thought I could have done something better or something differently. I would love to hear feedback, because once again, this is my very first time doing this one room challenge, as well as the walls and everything like that. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye!